Gavin, that's part of the game. That's what happens sometimes, kiddo.
We should take them tubing.
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight now. And lean that way.
Hold on. Let's get it on video.
Whoa! I went the other way. You didn't hang up.
Why do you keep falling? You're not sitting up straight or
No,
something.
at the top, Dad, it's not smooth coming out. It's like a big thing there. It knocks him off balance.
Why don't you lay on your belly when you go down?
Here.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Let's see Uncle Eddie.
Lay it, no, lay on your back.
Yeah, Maya, try the belly flop.
Or lay on your
Go
back.
face
You better
first.
off
See how
lay
that
on your
works.
Hey, how long is the videos can last here?
backwards.
You should put it on
Then you
Facebook.
stay
I am.
right on this way.
Come on, Maya.
Yeah, maybe go over to the right more.
Lay backwards. I don't like going down belly flop.
Oh, okay, yeah, don't. Lay backwards, Maya, so you don't
This
smack
way I
your
take
face.
Uncle Eddie out.
Lay
Put your feet
backwards.
up there. Put
No.
your feet up there.
There you go.
All the way up.
Ankle her a little more.
Lay back down, Maya. There you go.
All the way
Okay,
up.
hold on. They're a little to the right.
Yeah, move her to
She's
the
all,
right.
there we go. Hold on. No.
No, like
No,
in the middle.
Other way.
Not
Hold on.
there, yeah, right
You got
there.
position. There you go.
Yeah, that's the way. See, you do
She
that.
needs more momentum. She got to take me out, too.
Do that.
Yeah, take your
and then
slip
you-
back.